Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been out for a bit, doing some reprioritizing. For those of you who don't know, I started this journey on February 24th of 2025, weighing in at 270.2 pounds, and today I am weighing in at 170 pounds. It's been a while since I posted, and honestly, that's because I have been on an emotional roller coaster. I have been feeling depressed, discouraged, and disappointed in myself over this weight gain. Just like I told you guys in my last update after my trip to Savannah, I knew it, I knew it, I knew I was going to gain weight. And I did. Look, I'm 170 pounds now. God, man. I gained 6 pounds. Although I knew it was coming, I told you guys it was coming, but I was secretly hoping it wouldn't. That those 2 3 days didn't make that much of a difference. But seeing that number on the scale increase hurt my feelings. And I wasn't even super crazy. I didn't eat cookies, candy, cake, or pasta, none of that. I had caramel corn and some cocktails and some street tacos. This weight gain made something very clear to me. If I go off my plan, if I deviate in the slightest, I'm going to gain weight. My new eating habits must be permanent. This is not something I can ever walk away from. Not necessarily saying the shot itself, but the eating habits must remain the same. Everything I've learned must stay intact. And the truth is, I had already come to this realization. I already knew there would always have to be some discipline, of course, accountability, and some type of plan. What I do not want, though, is to live on a depression roller coaster every time the scale goes up. There are going to be times when I want to enjoy my life, There are going to be vacations, celebration dinners, holidays, outings, where I decide to eat something that is not a part of my normal routine. And I don't want to spend those moments scared of the scale and feeling guilty or punishing myself for simply enjoying life. I made the decision to enjoy Savannah, and that's what I did. And now I have to accept the decision that decision came with the consequence. That does not mean I failed at anything. It just means that, I just got to rebalance. That is what maintenance is probably going to be for me. Sometimes I am going to enjoy the moment. Sometimes the scale may go up. Then I will tighten things back up. But there is a part that I don't know how to balance, that emotional roller coaster. I don't know how to enjoy my life, see a couple of pounds increase on the scale, and still go on and be happy and do my normal stuff. I am so hard on myself, and it really takes a mental toll. So in total, I lost, as you guys know, 107 pounds, but now I've gained weight. I'm still at the 100-pound mark, but I'm struggling. I'm struggling with how to balance living my life and maintaining my weight as well. I mean, has this happened for anybody out there? Have you guys gained weight after you had a family function or whatever the case may be? Has that happened for you? And if so, how do you go about mentally balancing it, not beating yourself up too much? You guys, let me know in the comments if you guys have gone through this. So I'm so glad to talk to you guys again. And thanks you guys for watching as always. And I will talk to you guys later.